What's up, guys? This is Han BKT coming at you with the grand finale, the reveal of what tires did I choose. Did Honda BKT go over to the dark side of the assassinators? Or did he stay with Team Silverback? The drum roll. Team Silverbacks. Sorry. That was probably the lamest intro you guys ever heard. But yes, Team Silverback 32s by 10 by 14. A lot of you thought I was going over assassinators. Sorry if those happy faces and blush facing kind of threw you off, but I had to twist it up. So yeah, these are new, but used new. Guy had like less than 6 hours on them. He said probably total like 40-50 miles, if that. They still have the nipples all around it. But yep. 32 by 10 by 14s. It's official. What am I doing? But yeah, guys. There they are. Big lugs. Or very big lugs. Lugs that are so huge. 2.5 inch lugs. That's just a side lug. Like the center is right at 2. Dude, these things are nasty big. I don't think I can fit them. I know I can turn them, but I don't think I can fit them. So I guess Dremel is gonna be my best friend. But anywho, comment, like, and subscribe. I hope I give at least 20 likes, and I hope half of you that voted for, not half, I hope all of you from Team Assassinators don't unsubscribe to me. Please don't. I'm sorry. Down the road, I got huge plans for the Yeti, or maybe I might just do the review of the Yeti 2.0 coming soon to a town near you to destroy all your trails. So, Team Silverback it is. So comment, like, and subscribe. Till next time, deuce.